What if I told you the world's oldest woman had the gut of a child at 117 years old, and that this might be the real secret to outliving everyone else on the planet? Meet Maria Branyas Morera. She held the title of world's oldest person until her passing in August 2024. But here's what's mind-blowing. Scientists discovered her gut was packed with Bifidobacterium, the same beneficial bacteria found in babies. Today, we're diving deep into how her microscopic allies helped her cheat death for over a century. And more importantly, what this means for your own longevity journey. Picture this. While most centenarians have guts filled with harmful bacteria and inflammation, Maria's intestinal world looked like a pristine nursery. Her gut was dominated by Bifidobacterium. These aren't just any bacteria. They're your body's personal bodyguards. They wage war against chronic inflammation, the silent killer that ages us from the inside out. As we age, our gut microbiomes become battlefields. Bad bacteria take over, inflammation skyrockets, and our bodies start breaking down faster than they can repair. It's like having a security system that's been hijacked by intruders. Most people accept this as inevitable aging, but Maria's story proves otherwise. So how did Maria maintain this biological fountain of youth? The answer isn't found in expensive supplements or medical procedures. Every single day, Maria consumed 3 servings of yogurt, not the sugar-loaded stuff from the grocery store, but real yogurt packed with living cultures. This simple ritual was like sending reinforcements to her gut army daily, but the yogurt was just the beginning. Maria followed what researchers now recognize as the perfect longevity blueprint, a Mediterranean-style diet bursting with fiber-rich vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains. Every meal was essentially prebiotic fuel, feeding her beneficial bacteria and starving the harmful ones. Here's where Maria's story gets even more fascinating. She didn't just eat well, she walked daily, never touched alcohol or cigarettes, and maintained deep family connections throughout her life. Scientists now understand this wasn't coincidental. Chronic stress, sedentary lifestyle, and social isolation are gut microbiome destroyers. Maria's lifestyle choices created the perfect environment for her beneficial bacteria to thrive. Recent research reveals another crucial piece of Maria's longevity puzzle: the sleep-gut connection. Quality sleep and gut health work in perfect harmony. Poor sleep disrupts bacterial balance, triggering inflammation and metabolic chaos. Meanwhile, a healthy microbiome produces serotonin and melatonin, the very hormones that regulate deep, restorative sleep. Maria's consistent sleep schedule and low-stress lifestyle created a positive feedback loop with her gut bacteria. Now, before you think Maria just won the genetic lottery, consider this. Her cells tested 17 years younger than her chronological age. While genetics played a role, researchers believe her lifestyle and gut health were the primary drivers of this cellular youth. The beautiful truth is that you don't need perfect genes. You need consistent, gut-friendly choices. Here's the game-changing revelation. Maria's gut microbiome essentially prevented her body from aging normally. While her peers battled inflammation, metabolic dysfunction, and immune decline, her beneficial bacteria kept these age accelerators in check for over a century. She didn't just live longer, she lived healthier, staying mentally sharp and physically mobile well into her 100s. Maria Branyas Morera's 117-year journey teaches us that longevity isn't about expensive anti-aging treatments or perfect genetics. It's about creating an internal environment where beneficial bacteria can flourish. 3 daily yogurts, Mediterranean-style eating, regular movement, quality sleep, and strong relationships. These simple choices can literally rewrite your biological aging story.